Question number 21. Structural isomers only should be considered when answering this question. Molecule X contain 3 carbon-carbon double bond. 1 mole of X is reacted with 3 moles of HBr. The carbon skeleton is unchanged, and here is the molecule X. This one, and this is, you can see, first of all, it is a symmetrical molecule. This molecule can be cut into 2 identical halves, so this molecule is a symmetrical molecule. How many different products are formed? Number 1, as you are supposed to react with the 3 mole of HBr with respect to 1 mole of this X. So there are 3 double bonds over here, and this double bond is lying at the center. So first of all, let's suppose 1 H will be over here and the Br will be over there. For example, this is the addition of HBr in this way. So as I told you, this is a symmetrical molecule, so don't change the position of H and Br, right? I'm going to fix it because in my method it will make any change in the structure. So if I'm going to put this Br at this position, then it will not make any change in the nomenclature of different structural isomers. Just have a look how it is going to be fit over here. So basically, in the structure, if I'm just allocating 1 Br at this position, I'm not going to change this Br at this position. Yes, it can be, but in my opinion, in my style of question, just keep it on the 1 carbon atom, either at this carbon atom or at this carbon atom. Now, once again, Br. So the next thing is, once again, we are supposed to react HBr with all these double bond. So first of all, let's suppose I'm going to place Br, 1 Br over here, H over here, and from this carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nearest root is the position of next Br, nearest position is 5. Now come to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the larger root and this is the smaller root. So I'm going to mark Br over here. This is one of the possible structure. In both cases, from this Br, this is, for example, a central point, both Br are lying at the lower or the lowest number. Now come to the next one. The next one, let's see. I'm going to draw another one structure. Using the same methodology, I'm putting Br over here and I'm just copying, or I'm going to retain this Br at this position, but this Br I'm not going to keep it at the same position as I'm going to make the isomer. So I'm going to mark Br over here. So these 2 molecules are obviously, they are having different nomenclature, they are having different structure formula. How to draw the next one? Here it is, for example. Here it is. Once again, keeping this one Br over here. And now this time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this position of Br over here, and this position of Br again. I made first of all this one, then at second number this one, I made this one, second one from the first one, by changing just the position of this Br over here. Now I'm making the third one from the first one. Here was the Br, I have changed it into the next position, but I'm not going to change the position of this Br. So again, these 3 are not same. Now what will be the 4th one? Just have a look. Next one, the possible one, if it is the 4th one, then Br over here, it will remain same on this position. Now come towards the next one. These are the 2 Br. Generally at the lowest numbers, then I change this Br In next case, I changed this BR. Now I am going to swap both BRs. I mean, if I'm going to mark one BR over here, this one, again I'm starting from the first one. I'm going to switch it at this terminal and switching at this terminal. In this case, I have switched the both BRs in this case, and you can see that these all structure are not similar structures. They are different structures. So just fixing one BR, that is at the middle, I can draw all these 4 possible or 5 possible and so on. So can we change any other position? As I told you, don't change it basically. You are not allowed to change this BR. This BR should not be changed for the ease of drawing. So any other possible arrangement is there? I think no. So B is the correct option. That's all about this question. Thank you.